Rule of thumb: the more important a call or action to the soul's evolution, the more resistance we will feel towards pursuing it. Steven Pressfield, The War of Art. 1. The passion trap. Passion favors sweaty palms. Are you waiting for inspiration? Passion? A muse? I wouldn't count on it. When it comes to business, particularly entrepreneurship, you're better off leading on just doing the work. Artist and entrepreneur Jessica Abel describes the process well. She says, "Passion for a practice or a subject comes from your investment of time and energy. Whatever your passion turns out to be is a combination of what you're into, your circumstances, and what happens to fall across your lap, added to what you decide to spend your time on and what you're willing to take risks to do more of, with just a tiny dash of natural talent." The term practice has a double meaning. We have you practicing something every day, like playing the piano. We also have you doing the practice, as in growing the mental and emotional discipline to stay committed to a goal. It is not a coincidence that the same word is used in daily rituals and commitments, like meditation. The truth is that passion will not get you out of bed every morning. Like love, it can be fickle and moody and fair weather. Passion makes you more susceptible to burnout and extreme thinking. Doing the work, though, it sustains you because it never changes, and it gives levity when things are great and when things suck. All you have to do is show up every